This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. 4-bed, 2.5 BTH Townhome located in Balmoral community in North Suffolk. Kitchen features open floor plan with eat-at bar, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and large pantry. Open concept floor plan. First floor bed ensuite, great for anyone that needs first floor living. Upstairs PBR-en-suite features tray ceiling, 2 large closets. PBTH features large vanity west/double sinks, soaking tub, separate shower, west/D2016 convey, tankless hot water heater. The community has many amenities which includes clubhouse, pool, dog park, parks, and exercise room. Close proximity to Bennett's Creek Park where you can even launch kayaks. Local entertainment and dining. $3,000 allowance toward flooring/painting/decorating/buyer's discretion with full price offer. For more information, review the details below.